If you are a coach, a consultant, or a professional service provider, then you need a website like yesterday. Today, I'm going to cover 10 reasons as to why you need a website ASAP. You probably already know you need one, and if not, you've been thinking about it, you've probably seen a bunch of stuff online, and you're considering it. Well, hopefully after today's video, you'll be convinced that you absolutely need a website to grow your business today. Reason number one is super simple and really powerful. It's confidence. Yes, just straight up confidence. When you have a website to represent your brand, your business, and you can send people to that website, you can show up in a different way. So let's say you are at a business event and you're chatting with people and you do not have a website. Somebody asks you what you do. You explain it to them and they say, "Oh, I'd love to learn more. Where can I see your work?" And you say, "Oh, well, I don't have a website. I've been thinking about it. I should put it up," and so on and so on. Now, on the flip side, let's say the same thing happens and they ask you where they could see your work, where they can send clients to you, and you say, "Sure, go ahead and visit, enter your website name." The way that you show up, the way that you talk about your business, your services, and what you do will change when you have a website. So reason number one is confidence. Reason number two is it helps you define and grow your personal brand and create an experience for your current clients and potential clients. So on your website, people go and they get a very detailed idea of what you do, how you do it, and what you stand for. Sure, they can find you on Facebook, on Instagram, or whatever other social media platforms you use, but there's a lot of noise that comes along with those platforms as well. And when somebody is on your website, they are focusing only on what you do for them. They're not getting hit up with ads or other feeds or other profiles or other random things that the internet has to offer. They're there for you, your business, and how you can help them. So if you can curate an experience for them when they land on your website, a beautiful homepage, and they know they can learn about you, they can learn about your services, and they can learn about how you do what you do, how much you charge for what you do, or how they can contact you, you're creating an experience for them. They don't have to guess about what you do or wonder how they can get in contact with you. All of that stuff is on your website. Reason number three is that a website is your digital business card. So if you remember a few years back, business before websites, before social media, before all this stuff blew up, business cards were the big thing. And this was probably less than 10 years ago, if that, right? So back then, you had to have a business card. If you did not have a business card, you were not legit. You wouldn't dare go to a business event or anywhere else that had anything to do with your industry without having your business card. Now, it's all about having your own website. Reason number four is that you can start and grow your email list. So whether you work with people one-on-one, in person, face-to-face, or you provide courses or you work with people only online, it doesn't matter. You should be growing an email list. This is the one-on-one connection that you can have with people that, again, bypasses everything, all the noise that goes on the internet and on especially social media. So an email list is something that you should definitely be doing, and you can only do that if you have a website. Reason number five as to why you need a website ASAP. It's on your website where you can provide more detailed information and people know that you're there, you're here to give them value. The more value that you are invested and committed to providing to your current clients and future clients, the better that will be for your personal brand and your business in the long run. You can only do that if you have your own platform, your website. Now, if you are in the process of trying to figure out what to do for your website, or if you've never thought about this before and now you're like, after watching this video, you're like, okay, sign me up, I need a website stat, then I would love to chat with you. Either send me a message or visit theMerakiCollective.com and you can sign up for free training as to why personal branding is so important, how you can showcase that on your own website. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you next time.